Today we are talking about distributive property. Okay, distributive property is where we are distributing the number in front to every single thing inside the parentheses. Now, when you see a number right next to a parentheses, this means multiplication. So you are multiplying the number in front by everything inside of the parentheses. It is very important that you pay attention to the signs involved when you are utilizing the distributive property. Let's take a look here at a couple examples. So 5 is going to be multiplied by 2x and by negative 3. Okay, so 5 times 2x is going to be 10x because 5 times 2 is 10. And we're going to keep that variable, the x. Then 5 times negative 3. Okay, 5 times negative 3 is negative 15 because a positive times a negative is a negative, and 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, so this would be our expanded expression. Okay. Next one. The 3 is after the parentheses, but see how it's still directly next to it? That still means multiplication, and we are multiplying by everything inside. So 3 times negative 4y, a positive times a negative is a negative. 3 times 4 is 12, so negative 12. Keep my variable. 3 times negative 5z is going to be negative 15z. Okay, this is your expanded expression. Okay, let's come down and take a look at 15. We have negative 2 in front. That means negative 2 is being distributed to everything inside the parentheses. So negative 2 times negative 3x, we would get positive 6x. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Okay, one thing to recognize about these, if you have 3x minus 2, parentheses 4x plus 5, you are distributing the negative 2 to everything inside the parentheses. Okay, even though this is also a minus sign, you are including it as part of the term to be distributed. Okay, you would get 3x minus 8x, and then negative 2 times 5 would be minus 10. Okay, and then we can simplify this and combine like terms. 3x, negative 8x. Combine, we would get negative 5x minus 10, because that does not need to simplify with anything else. This would be your expanded simplified expression. Okay, there are several more for you to try if you would like.